Hi there, Luke here with you again, and in this video we're going to cover the Waves exchange. So this is an overview of buying, selling, trading Asimi, just navigating the Waves exchange, depositing, withdrawing from hashing ad space. A brief overview designed for people that already understand cryptocurrency. So maybe you already have a cryptocurrency wallet, you already have Bitcoin in it, you already understand how to send Bitcoin around to different businesses to purchase products. Maybe you're in another business where you're earning cryptocurrency. So this video is a brief understanding to just quickly show you a lot of the functions, where to find things, and how to make it work for people that already understand most of how to use cryptocurrency. If you're completely new, be sure to go through the videos the next videos. Keep going through this video series, because this series will take you very step by step through every single, click here and do this. So that will really suit people that are new. But like I said, this is an overview to get you set up quickly. So here we are on the Waves exchange. So you can see waves.exchange. So if you can navigate to here, and there's a button, a quick link to the Waves exchange, so you can click on that, it will take you to this page. Then you can download for your device. One of the real powers of the Waves exchange is you download it to your personal device, meaning that it's not stored on the internet. So you can't get hacked, your tokens can't be stolen, you own it on your own personal device. So I really like that about the security of it. Low fees, lightning fast, high security. I mean, it's a really, really powerful system, and something that I've really enjoyed using. It's my preferred exchange for all of my coins. In fact, we do a lot of trading here because of just how simple it is, and really, really low cost as well to use. So I really enjoy it. So even if you're new to cryptocurrency, I think that this is a really fantastic exchange just to get involved with anyway. Hashing ad space aside, it's a fantastic platform to use. So let's go through the steps. Of course, you will quickly download to your device, and then you'll need to follow the prompts. So install it onto your device. Once it's installed, you'll find it in your applications. It will look something like this, Waves Exchange, and I'm going to click on that to load it. And like I said, now this is on your device, it's not on the internet anymore. Now, one massive point though, when you first install this, you'll create a wallet. Okay, so you'll create a brand new wallet, and because it's stored on your device, you have to be very mindful of your seed phrase. Okay, so once logged in, you'll see a wallet that looks much like this. You can see a lot of tokens or coins that are already set here. So I like to first maybe unpin or remove the ones that I don't want, just to remove some of the clutter. So let's say I don't want Litecoin, unpin. Of course, you'd leave the assets that you do want in this wallet. It's a multi-coin wallet, so you can store or use it for a lot of coins. And then I would select Asimi. So you can click on the plus, and this will pin Asimi to your wallet. So type in Asimi, select it, and then pin. Now you'll see Asimi here, and you can always access your tokens very easily and quickly. And now let's just quickly go over the send and receive. So much like any other wallet, you can send tokens, of course, to a recipient's address, and you just enter the amount, and then of course you can send it. So this might be to somebody else if you want to send them tokens. Maybe if it's maybe you want to send Bitcoin that you've earned out to another wallet, an external exchange, or maybe you want to deposit Asimi into hashing ad space, you would send the Asimi to hashing ad space. Or maybe you've earned Asimi and you want to receive the Asimi back into your account. So the receive code, of course, is right here, so you can copy this, and this is how people could send you Asimi, or hashing ad space could process a withdrawal back to your account, and same of course with Bitcoin. So the very first thing we need to do is get some funds into this Waves wallet. So you can see you can copy your Bitcoin receive address right there from an external exchange, is what that means there. So once we get some funds into our account, because this is a Waves blockchain, the fees are taken from Waves. So we need at least one Wave. Well, it only takes about 1/1000th of a dollar, so 1/1000th of a cent, I should say, to actually do a transaction. It's very, very, very low cost, but we do need at least one Waves token. At the moment, that's 77 cents to fund our transactions. So from that point on, we can use the exchange, we can send and receive tokens. So if you have Bitcoin in another wallet, then that's great. Receive your Bitcoin, grab this code, copy it, go to your other wallet and send your Bitcoin to your Waves exchange. You could do the same thing with Ethereum or Waves potentially, or any other token, or Asimi. If you've already earned Asimi in Hash and Ad Space, you could withdraw it back here and then you would have funds within this account. Alternatively, you can also come up to the staking tab at the top here, and this is where you can fund your Waves wallet with your credit card. So you can buy USDN, which is their stable coin. So let's say we want to buy $100 worth of USDN. We can click on buy. And this will allow you to purchase the USDN with dollars. So with, you can see a MasterCard, Visa. So you can go through that process as well if you want to use your credit card in order to fund. Now, once you have some funds, it's as simple as, so close this down. Once you have some funds, then we can come to the trading tab. So that's not confusing. Let me just come back to the dashboard. This is where we were. Okay, so at any time, if you want to change your tokens for, if you want to buy and sell Asimi tokens, exchange them, then what you can do is come up to the left here, trading, and this is where you can run your exchange. So right here on the exchange, you'll see that I'll just close this. You can see it's prompting me to save that seed phrase. Very important that you do save that seed phrase. And if I just come up onto the left here, you can see the search bar. So this is where we can enter Asimi, and it will show the Asimi trading pairs, and you can select any Asimi trading pair. So you can see Asimi Bitcoin here. If we click on that, you can see the Asimi Bitcoin trading, and you can see the order book here where you can buy and sell Asimi tokens. So because I don't have anything in here just at the moment, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go and send myself some funds into this test account. So let's head back to the wallet, and I'm going to send myself some Wave tokens. So I'm just going to receive some Waves tokens, click on copy, and then you can send, so this could be Bitcoin or Ethereum, but I'm going to send them from another wallet, so I'll just quickly do that. Okay, so I've just sent myself Waves. That literally took about 30 seconds, and you can see the Waves are immediately in my account. As I said, you could send yourself Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other coins that you have, or you can fund it using, so you'd have USDN, it doesn't matter. Once you have some tokens, now there's a couple of things we need to do. We'll head up to the trading again, and I'll just show you how to quickly buy or sell. So because we have Waves, then I can trade Waves Asimi. So I'll click on the Asimi Waves pair, and then in order to buy or sell, if I want to buy Asimi, I would leave it at buy because Asimi's first in the trading pair there. So that's the one that we're buying or selling, is whatever is first in the trading pair. So if I want to buy Asimi, I would leave it on buy. If I want to sell Asimi, I would leave it on sell. But for the example here, I have Waves, and what I want to do is buy some Asimi. So what I can do then is just click on the order here, and let's say I wanted to buy 40 Asimi tokens. Okay, it'll tell me how many Waves that's going to take, and then I can click on buy. You'll see the order is created, and then the order book will show, but because that order was already there, it will basically fill immediately, and the Asimi will already be mine because it was very it's basically instantaneous. Now, if we were to place an order, just to be clear, that was somewhere in between here, so you can see this is the price that people are selling Asimi for, this is the price they're prepared to buy it for. So if we put a price in between here, let's say that we want to buy some more Asimi, but in this instance we're going to just go 028. Again, if this is moving too fast for you, just go and watch the real how-to videos, but this presumes that you sort of already have some understanding about using these types of systems. I'm going to put another order in for 10, and we'll click buy Asimi again, and you'll see my order will be added here, and it will sit there until somebody is prepared to sell at that same price. Okay, so you can see it here in the order book. So as soon as somebody else sells their Asimi for me that wanted to buy it at that price, then I will get filled. And you can see all the other people that want to buy and sell Asimi, and they put their own prices, so they set the price that they're prepared to pay to buy or sell, and then if the market moves to there, then they get filled. If they want to buy instantly, then they have to sell it right here. If they want to sell instantly, then they have to buy it right here. So that's something that you can play around with, very small numbers. If it's your very first time, try just buying one Asimi or selling one Asimi, so you can make sure that it works nicely for you as well. So the same thing would happen with USDN. If you had just bought your USDN, this is a pretty new trading pair because USDN has just launched, but if you've just bought used your credit card to get USDN, you can come here now and then buy your Asimi right there. Okay, so I could show you an example because I have Asimi. I could sell some Asimi, but this is where the pair you would come to if you just funded with your credit card, and if you funded with your with Bitcoin, then you can also come here to the Bitcoin trading pair. Now, if we come to my wallet, you'll see that immediately because I traded it, you can see the Asimi's already in my account there. 40 Asimi that I purchased with my waves. So you can see my waves has been deducted and my Asimi balance is up. Okay, so really exciting, of course, first Asimi tokens. It's that easy to buy Asimi. But let's flip it over now and say, hang on, I've just earned these 40 Asimis in hashing ad space. So first off, let's talk about how you can move tokens to and from hashing ad space. What you need to do is click on this receive Asimi. This is your receive wallet address. This is your wallet address for your Waves platform. Now, I just want to show you one other thing. You can see by clicking on receive Asimi or clicking on receive Waves, it's actually the same address, ends in CEL, and if we come here, ends in CEL. That's because Asimi is built upon the Waves blockchain. The Waves blockchain facilitates all transactions of Asimi, and so what that means is that they're the same. However, of course, you can always come to Asimi just to be sure, click on receive, copy this, and then head to your hashing ad space account. So I'll head to hashing ad space, which should be right here, and I just need to quickly log back in. Oh, I'm still in, that's good. So if you come to profile and then come to wallet address, once you're logged into hashing ad space, this is where you enter that code. So edit, and then you can enter the new code, copy and paste it in here, put in your secondary pin, not a robot, update or add. Okay, and so now the system will save your Asimi wallet address, and that's going to work for two things. We need your address to match up the transaction when you deposit Asimi into hashing ad space, so you need to do this pretty early on. I'd recommend that even if you aren't, you're only just getting started in hashing ad space, get your Waves exchange set up, get your Waves wallet in here, okay, so your Asimi receive code in here, so that everything's set up for later, okay? So paste it in here, now it's set up, and what that means is you can come to, obviously I'm not going to change it for this example, but you can come to transactions, wallet, and then this is where you can either deposit or withdraw your Asimi. So you can deposit funds, okay, because it knows the wallet address, put in how much you want to deposit, and then follow the steps, click proceed. There's a video here if you get stuck, and then you can add the Asimi into your account. And when it comes time that you have earned Asimi, come to withdrawal funds. And then again, you can, how much Asimi you want to withdraw. And because you've already saved your Asimi withdrawal code there, so your Asimi, your wallet address, will send that withdrawal to that wallet address that you have saved right in your profile. So if we come back to the Waves exchange, we can close this down. Of course, you can always ask support, okay? The support right here, come across here if you have any questions, they will help you. And of course, our support will also help you with anything that you need on our end, in the hashing ad space end. There's you can see there's some other features here. What I really like is you can create multiple wallets. So you can click on the drop down and add another wallet if you have a different wallet purpose. You can monitor what's happening with all of your different coins. You can see how easy it is to exchange. So overall, I really enjoy this system and think it's definitely worth setting up, like I said. So I hope that gives you a quick rundown on how you can use it. Like I said, this is more tailored for people that already understand, but that shows you sort of where you can buy and sell. If you come back now, like I was going to give you an example, if we come back, trading, we've earned the Asimi, we've withdrew it from hashing ad space, and so then now you can come and sell your Asimi. So maybe I want to sell it for Bitcoin. What I'll do is I would simply come and decide, okay, I'd like to sell my Asimi. So again, I could sell it right here to this person that wants to buy, or I could put it at a higher price and try and get a higher price for it. So in that example, let's say, okay, so at the moment, there's somebody trying to sell their Asimi for 435. Someone wants to buy it for 363. So I could put it somewhere in between, maybe 4, and then I'd get a little bit higher price than what they're offering. And so you can do whatever you want, but it won't get filled immediately. So this is why you have to make those decisions. And let's say I want to sell 10 Asimi tokens, then I could sell it at that, and it would place an order. And you'll see your order over here. Now your orders will last for 30 days or 29 days, you can see right there. Now let's say that I want to sell my Asimi immediately because I want Bitcoin, then I could sell it right there. Or let's say that I wanted to wait until Asimi's worth more, then I could put my order up here somewhere and wait for the market to move up and meet me. So that comes down to your own personal strategy and needs. But all in all, really easy to exchange your Asimi, to get your Bitcoin, fund your account with USDN with your credit card, and then go and buy a Asimi with USDN, or send a Bitcoin into your Waves wallet, or earn a Asimi and then send it back to your Waves wallet, and then you can exchange it all here. So like I said, powerful system. I hope that gives you an understanding of how to use the Waves wallet, and that's it for this video. So in the next videos, we'll go through all of this very slowly, step by step. So if you have any questions or you think we've skimmed over something, have a look through the list in the next videos and you'll see that exact point, and you can just watch that video as a refresher. Maybe later on in a few months you think, how do I withdraw a Asimi again? Go and watch that video and it'll all be there. Okay, I'll see you in those videos.